I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the grain market. Today in soybeans, the market was up. The cash bids for the new crop finally broke through that $10 mark. So those back months futures have really gotten through, pretty firmly. Dryness in Argentina really is underpinning the market and kind of holding it up firm. We're also watching that the U.S. dollar index is kind of weak, even though today it did have a little bit of a rebound. But overall, we still are becoming a little bit more competitive. This is why corn was also firm. The short-term trend really remains to the upside, and that's got traders of feeling a little more relief anyway. The futures are showing signs that they want to possibly test the upper targets. If we start to test those targets and break through, we could see a little more follow-through buying, and then maybe the market's really going to start to build some momentum. As this U.S. dollar index really starts to come down, if it continues as it has been for the past couple of weeks, we could see the grains really getting a good market. And certainly what's leading the way is that wheat. The wheat is surging right now. The rally continues for the fourth day in a row. It seems that the weather concerns are really gaining some traction. We're getting to an area that we're going to really find out if that early cold snap during the winter wheat planting without any snow cover, if there is actually any crop damage, it's going to start to show itself soon. At that point, we could see if this is going to really have an effect on our numbers at the end of the day. And if it does, you can be sure that we're going to get a little bit stronger market. Interestingly enough, there has been a number of funds that were adding to the short position as the market continues to rally. But there's going to get to a point that there will be a reckoning if this market doesn't go back down, and some of that short covering will start to begin and could get our market back off to the races. Maybe not as we did last June, but there's certainly the market does have some upward mobility from this point. Either way, we're going to see that there's going to be a lot more volatility coming up for the next couple of weeks, so we'll watch for that. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.